Alright guys, everyone wants to know how to change the wheels out on the Black Ops bag. I did my first one already. I'll do the second one here, show you guys how to do it, and show you what you need. You're going to need a 3/8 bit drill bit, 5/32 drill bit. You'll need two 5/16 2-inch bolts. Washer, or lock nut, washer, and some sort of spacer for in between right here, just so you have yourself a little space in there. I use this little piece of a spring, nothing special. You can use washers, they make metal ones too. I just use something I found around the house. Phillips head screwdriver and a drill. Obviously you need your Black Ops bag. So you take the top of your Black Ops bag off, and you'll find this here. There's 3 screws and 1 pop rivet. You take those off, okay? Or you can cheat like I'm about to do and use the drill. Okay, take those 3 out. Don't lose them. Not that it's that big of a deal. Now you have to take your first pop rivet out. It's right here. Take your 5/32 bit. Put a finger on the other side. Don't get it caught right away. Might need a bigger bit. The last one is 5/32. I guess we're gonna need bigger than 5/32 on that one. This is probably overkill, but you're not gonna reuse it anyway, so I'm gonna use a 3/16 one and get it out quick. So you pull that off, you'll end up with that piece. Really, this is the only piece that we're worried about. Okay, take this piece off, switch your bit out, get your big bit on. This is where your 3/8 bit comes in. Okay, drill from the back side, and if you don't have new bearings for your new wheels, be very careful because you're going to want to reuse these bearings. Regular rollerblade bearings are not big enough for the 5/16 bolt and the hole that's in the middle here. Quick enough, easy enough. Pop that first top off. Pops out pretty easily. Actually has a washer in there if you don't have your own. Pretty sure every male has a washer. There should be. Take this over here, find a hole or something to put your pop these out. I'm gonna just use that. Easy enough. Pop your bearings out. All right. Easy enough. Now, I suppose we should find our wheel. There it is. I use Bauer roller skate wheels, got them from the hockey shop. Of course, I was dumb and didn't get ones that matched the charcoal and green bag, but hey, that's gonna roll better. We'll take your spring or your spacer, put it on ahead of time. I use, like I said, the spring, something that has to sit around the house, sitting around the garage. Well, the best part about this is you can put this back together without having to put your whole bag together to do it. You don't have to sit there and try to fight your bag to do it. So, that goes there. Throw a washer in, a lock nut, tighten them up. I did mine pretty tight. You don't have to make them the tightest. I'm sure some people don't want them that tight, but to each his own. I didn't want mine coming loose later on. I wanted them to stay good. What?
Forever.
So, pop that back there. Throw your interior piece back on. Screws. Hopefully you didn't lose them. Trust me, when I did this on my old Black Ops and not my Special Ops, I lost them. It's really fun finding screws again.
What are they doing?
Once you get the first one in, the rest of them all go in pretty simple. It's just more or less getting the hole lined up. Oh, another thing I forgot to tell you, you'll need a rivet and the pop rivet tool for this one right here. Either that or get a small nut and bolt and put it in there. However, whatever floats your boat. I know people, the first person I saw who did this didn't even put those ones back in. So I don't think it's going to hurt anything to not have them in. Probably should say this right away. It probably will void your warranty on these. I know they come with a year warranty. But I'm pretty sure if you take it apart and drill holes through everything that it's going to void your warranty. So, that, throw a rivet in there quick, and we'll call it good. Fun part's going to be getting the rivet through. Go. Just like that, that's how you switch the wheels out on your roller bag. Rolls nice and smooth, no more loud clunky wheels. So, if you have any questions, leave a comment, PM me, either or. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. I do actually work, so hope it helps you guys. Have a good one.